Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Android Studio on Windows. So first of all we have to download Android Studio from their website. So for that first of all you have to search on Google, just type Android Studio, Android Studio download. So after that then you have to visit android.com website. After that there's a download link. Let's see. Yeah, there's a um, 3.4.1 version of Android Studio, then you can download that. And there's a preview version also. By that you can download beta versions of Android Studio. So we need a stable version of Android Studio, so just click on download link, and after that click on download Android Studio button. It's about 971 MBs. So download Android Studio, then you have to accept their agree terms and conditions. So click on that. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Click on that. Then after that download button will be enabled, so you have to click that. After click on agreement. Okay, then let's click on download Android Studio for Windows. It's downloaded now, you can see that here. If you have slow internet connection, then it will take few minutes. You have to wait few minutes for that. Yeah, now we downloaded Android Studio, so click on that. If your PC have more than 8 GB RAM, then it will be easy to run Android Studio. It will take some time. Yeah, then Windows will ask some permission prompts. Then you have to click on yes button for that. Yeah, then welcome to Android Studio setup wizard. Then you have to click on next button. Again next, you have to click on that Android virtual device. Space required, it's about 2.6 GBs. You need 2.6 GBs in your free space in your hard disk. If you are sure about that, then you have to click on next button. Yeah, then is path, installation path. I'm not going to change that. It's C program files, Android Studio. Then click on next button. Yeah, start menu folders. Then click on install button. Then it will begin installing. You have to wait few minutes for that. It will copy each and every file of Android Studio project to your local PC. If you are using Windows, then that's the process. it's installing quickly. Just you have to wait few minutes for that. Yes, now it's completed. You have to click on next button to continue the installation process. Okay, let's click on next button. Yeah, now we can start Android Studio. Just you have to click on the finish button, then after that you can start Android Studio on your PC. Then you have to click on the finish button. Okay, let's click on that. If you installed Android Studio previously, then it's asked to import your Android Studio settings from previous versions. Otherwise, just you have to click on do not import settings, then click on OK button. I'm going to delete my previous directories from this PC. I'm going to install a fresh copy of Android Studio. Okay, now it's welcome screen to Android Studio. Just you have to click on the next button. After that, installation type. It's asking installation type. If you are chosen in standard installation type, then it will be easy to install that. Otherwise, you can choose custom method. Custom installation will type will custom installation will you have to choose which components you need and which components you don't need to install. So it's better if you can use the standard method. It's easy to install. So I'm going to continue with standard installation type. After that, click on the next button, select UI theme here. You can I'm going to uh, love the coding with black black environment because of it's healthy for our eyes. Because of that, I'm going to choose regular theme. After that, click on the next button. Then you have to verify settings. It's saying setup type is standards, SDK folder, total download size, and SDK component to download. Okay, now you have to click on the finish button. It will be downloading SDKs. Yeah, now you have to click on the finish button. Then you can start your new project with Android Studio. Now your Android Studio is ready now, but you have to set up executing environments for Android Studio. We can do that later. It's downloading greatly. It's when it's your first time you open Android Studio. It's downloading all components need to run your application. Now everything is downloaded to your Android Studio. Now you can work with them. Let's try with example project with Android Studio. Just you have to click on that play button to run that. Let's see what will happen. It's initializing ADB. I didn't install any ADB to this yet, so it's saying no USB device running emulation detected. Then you have to download emulator or plug any device to your Android Studio to run your first project. Okay, now we already installed Android Studio completely, so I will tell you how to install Android device to your Android Studio or install any virtual emulator to run your Android projects. Thank you.